The origination of the Buddha's teachings. Because if these three things were not found in the world, the Tathagata, the arahant, the perfectly enlightened one would not arise in the world, and the Dhamma and discipline proclaimed by him would not shine in the world. What three? Birth, old age, and death. Why the Buddha words? For someone who is searching for happiness, peaceful of mind or a meaningful of life. Someone who may wonder about these questions, why the Buddha words? What and how the Buddha enlightened? What are the kinds of timeless truths of the Buddha teachings? How to understand Buddhism in the right view? Or what is the essence of the Buddha's teachings? And for someone who would like to bring teachings of the Buddha for using in everyday life, this book would answer all these questions. You will know the origination of the Buddha's teachings, and this will bring you a new vision of the real nature that will lead to the right path to the cessation of dukkha, that taught by Tathagata.
If you are ready to discover and prove the timeless truths teachings according to the Buddha words, just click download this book.